Please subscribe to my channel Guru Technologies and click the bell icon to receive the notification of my upcoming videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Guru Technologies. I'm Guru. Today I'm going to explain how to make money online with a zero investment. That's right, you heard. It's zero investment. You can sell the product online. You can get the commission out of the product. So let's start how to make money online. You just have to go to the Play Store and download the application called Wooplr. So it's spelled as WOOPLR, Wooplr, and click on, sorry, yeah, this application you have to install in your Android phone. And once you install the application, just open the application and sign up with your email address and your mobile number. Once you sign up for this application will open like this. This Wooplr application will open like this. In this application there are 50,000, more than 50,000 products are available, with these related to clothing and fashion and home kitchen appliances. There are many more products are available in this application. So here what you have to do is you just have to select the product. So for example, if you click on catalog, there are plenty of the list has been pop up here. So you just have to select. So for example, if I'm selecting for men's casual wear, you just have to select this product and just go through inside. And so here you go, here the product which is available in this store. Say for example, if I wanted to sell this product, say for example, the beast never stops swear, right? So this product, if I wanted to sell through online, so we just, this product price is 899 rupees, and in the below of the price there is a commission amount has been given. If anybody purchase this product through your link, you will earn 134 rupees as in commission. So how to share this product? It means we just have to click on the WhatsApp icon which is available below the price amount. So if you click on the WhatsApp icon, it will redirect you to share the photos or share description or share a link. And we just have to click on the share or the photos or whatever the description you want to share with, and it will redirect you to the WhatsApp which you're using with. You have to select the friend list like this and just send to the WhatsApp number. So the person the recipient of the WhatsApp number will receive the message saying that this product is available from you through your uh, in the store. So once they made a purchase on the product uh, through your link, you will get the commission out of it up to 15 to 25%. So this is how you can sell the product online. You just don't need to pay any single rupees to make this business through online. And apart from that, if you wanted to know how much money you have earned by doing this online business, you just have to click on earnings. You will get to know that how much amount you have been earned. So for the sign up, you will get 50 rupees as a bonus point. So minimum amount withdraw amount is 100 rupees. If you have an 100 rupees in your account, you can directly send withdraw to your bank account. Either you can withdraw that amount to your mobile Paytm number. Apart from the commission, there is a weekly instant bonus also. If i if you go to the earnings, there is an option called weekly instant bonus. So if you click on that weekly instant bonus, sorry, yeah, if you click on the weekly instant bonus, you'll get to know the what are the slabs are available. If you sell the product of rupees worth 500 rupees, you will get extra 50 rupees as a bonus. As the same way, for 1000 rupees, you will earn 100 rupees bonus per week. So if you sell the product for worth of 25,000, so you will get 2000 rupees as an additional bonus except your commission. So this is how it will work. And if you wanted to withdraw the amount, you just have to go to your my store and select the payment method and add your details. Either you can add your paytm number, otherwise you can add your bank account number as well to withdraw your amount. So once you cross your minimum of 100 rupees, you can withdraw the amount to your bank account or paytm number. And you can also provide the promo code to your friends to get the discount of the product. Just have to click on the my store tab. If you go to the create promo code, and if you in the create promo code, you choose any promo code option. Say for example, if you choosing the 150 rupees for valid for 1 month, if you click on generate coupon, the coupon will be automatically generated and it will give the unique code where your friends or family, anybody wanted to make a purchase or in this store, and if they use the coupon code of this, they will get a discount from your store. So this is how the coupon code is we can generate, and you can make the business out of it. And in the mail store only, you will get the option for language, and you can log out from this application. Okay, so this is how you can share you can sell the product online to your WhatsApp number, and if anybody purchase this product, they will definitely you will definitely get the commission out of the sales which is generated. And I just wanted to tell you that it is very friendly user app, and very lowest price products are available in this store. I strongly recommend you to use this store and make the money online. So that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood whatever I taught you today. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Guru Technologies. Thank you so much for watching this video.